Hello everybody. I have a Smith & Wesson shield. This is the Easy Shield that I'm going to be working on today. These guns are kind of small. They're on the smaller side. When you got bigger hands, you know, it's hard to get your fingers around there. It kind of comes off the side right there. So what I did today is I ordered these grip extensions. It's for the Easy Shield. Let's see if I can get better focus on that for you right here. These are made by Pearce Grip. It's an M&P 9mm Shield Easy Grip Extension. This does not extend the capacity of the magazine. It does not add any other ammo. It keeps that stock. All this will do is add a little extension, about a 1/2 inch extension onto the magazine. It's got like a little curved grip to it, and it just makes it a little easier for your finger to catch it when it's on there. You can see like the shape of it. It's a little thicker on the end with a little curved grip. And I'm going to just do a little video here on how to put that on. It's really simple. It's the magazine. This is the original Smith & Wesson magazine. This is the original Smith & Wesson magazine. And I'm trying to make sure this is focused in. Turn it over. You can see the bottom of the magazine. You can see the Smith & Wesson logo on here. It's got a little button, like tab in the middle. That's actually a little pin that holds it in place. I've taken a pen cap, plastic cap. You can take the pen, anything you like. Put your thumb on the flat edge of the plate right there. You want to take the pen cap and just in the center, push it slightly, push it down, and push the plate off. But keep your thumb on the magazine, on the end of the magazine, because it holds the spring-loaded plate assembly in there for the ammo. You just take your new cap and you push it right on. There's a little groove there, clips right into place, and it's on. It takes you all of 30 seconds to really do it. And you can see, you know, there's quite a difference. A little 1/2 inch actually makes a big difference for your finger. And when you put the magazine back in, now your finger catches that little hook area and actually holds it really nice. It's really a nice, comfortable fit. And it's a nice addition. It costs you $10. Again, it's made by Pearce Grip. You can Google them. You can look on Amazon, eBay. They're about $10 a piece. And right now I just bought one for the one magazine I have here. I wanted to try it out and I do like it. I will be ordering a few more for a couple other magazines I have for it. And I installed it, and I thought other people may be interested in it also, so I just threw together this little video. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, if it helps you out, please click like and maybe follow my other videos, subscribe. Thank you very much.